It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Oh my gosh. May 1st. I'm doing Ipsy. We got an icon box. I'm so excited. I have not looked at any of these. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studio program, which means that Ipsy has gifted me these 3 boxes for free. And if you'd like to try Ipsy, I have a link below. So May is called The Secret Garden, and I got all 3 boxes. The bag is $14 a month. The BoxyCharm is $30 a month. And then if you want to get the big icon box with the 8 products, full size, that's going to be $60 per quarter. So I'm going to dig into the bag first. This is the only one I didn't open. I pre-opened the other ones, but I didn't look inside just because I couldn't find my scissors. So, are you ready? I gotta see what the bag looks like for May. We'll get rid of that. Ooh, it's pretty. Check that out. That's actually really, it's really earthy. And I did get a brush. Check it out. I always love it when I get a brush. So that's part of the Glam bag. So I'm going to peek inside. Usually get 5 products. Oh, I got another Secret Garden little flyer there. Usually get 5 products in the Glam bag. So product number 1 was the brush. I got the bag. So it's actually 6 products with the bag. I got a Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. It looks like a lip gloss in a very pretty springy pink. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I might get that only because you can never see my eyebrows because my hair is always on top of them. I got the HY Lash Hyaluronic Acid Serum Mascara. That's exciting. I always love getting a new mascara for my purse. And then I got the Dallas & James Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. Seriously, watermelon? Is this a lip product or is this a it's a moisturizer? I'm like, I don't want to put it on my lips. No, it's definitely a moisturizer. I gotta smell this. Watermelon? Seriously? Oh, it doesn't smell like watermelon. It just smells like a really deep, kind of earthy scent. It's nice though. It really absorbed quickly. So I got those in the Glam bag. Next up, we have the BoxyCharm box. Like I said, this one is $30. We're going to dig in here. I'm going to throw all this away. Product number 1 is the Love Script Your Body is a Temple Polish It Body Polish. That's kind of fun. I'm going to open this up just to see what it smells like. Oh, I got that out fast. I always worry about opening packaging online because I always have a problem. Okay, are you ready? Very earthy. It's funny because everything I feel like so far has got like a really natural kind of earthy vibe going on. So that's kind of cool. I see a palette down here, by the way. 8 Saints Soulmate Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Treatment. Got one of those. I got the Script Primer and Lip Pencil. I always love getting lip pencils. I have a huge collection of lip pencils. Oh, and another mascara. I got the Polite Society Greatest Lashes of All Time. Seriously? This is cool. I love getting a mascara. Oh, wow. This is like a huge tube of mascara. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I always smell mascara. I don't know why. It's like the first thing I do when I take a mascara out. That's pretty though. Looks like kind of a tiny brush, which I like for doing my lower lashes. I don't know why I do that though. Every time I get a new mascara, I always smell it. Isn't that funny? Okay. Now, the palette. Okay, let me get rid of the box. It's called Woman Power. I like this. Ciate London. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This looks absolutely stunning. Let me pull this out. Here we go. Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm going to be wearing this palette tomorrow. Seriously, these look gorgeous for spring and summer. I love that they mixed the browns the pinks, the purples, and like the neutrals. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I gotta take a picture of this. I don't want to stick my finger in it because I want to take a picture first. That is so pretty. I think this is like one of the prettiest palettes I've seen for spring so far. Okay, that's all my colors. So, digging that, yeah. Okay, so that was the BoxyCharm, and I'm not done. We still have the Icon box. So the Icon box, you do get this like magazine in here, curated by Starr. Check that out. I'm excited about this box. I really am. Okay, what is in here? Okay, we'll get rid of the paper. I am seeing some cool stuff here. Oh wow, we have the SPF 30 baby oil. This reminds me vacation, something from the 70s. Oh my gosh, I gotta smell this. If I can get the lid off. Let me see if I can do it quick. Yeah, I did it. You know what? This is really good because it doesn't smell like... This almost has no smell. I like it because you know how I don't like that certain suntan lotion that... Oh, wow. This is really nice. Oh, it feels good. It has a slight scent, but it's not like strong. It's not like suntan lotion. Oh, look at that. That's exciting. Okay, I got that. I get taking another mascara. No, I get a lip snatcher, Velvet Flex Cream Cushion Gloss Lip Duo from, it's called One Size. One Size. I gotta pull this out. Oh, what's the color? Be About It. Be About It. I gotta take this out. I'm gonna try this on. Oh, wow. I like the packaging on here. This is really pretty. So what is it? It's a Velvet Flex Cream Cushion Gloss Duo. I'm liking this side actually the most. So we're gonna pull that out. Whoa, that is glossy. I need some gloss today. Oh, this is nice. It's got a slight like kicky scent. It feels good though. Yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, so that's cool. I'm liking that one. Put that back in there. Okay, we've got more. I've got the, oh, what is this? A big bottle of something. The Dermalactives Purifying Cleansing Gel. This is about the heftiest bottle I think I have ever experienced. Look at this. This is like, really, really heavy. That's kind of cool. I gotta look this up. Cleansing gel. Okay. I also got the, I think it's called Brio Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream. Oh my gosh, I need this. So I do get some, you know, discoloration. I'm over 50. It happens. So I'm curious to try that. That's actually kind of interesting. Okay, so I got that. I got from Fenty Beauty, I got 2 products. Good Icon box this month. Let me look at this here. Oh, I got another thing from One Size. I didn't realize there were 2 things in here. Okay, let me see this. Oh my gosh, I would love to curate a box. That'd be so much fun. I got the Mathaluva. This is a semi-matte lipstick. And then I also got the, what is this? Matte Black? What is it? Attached to base. Oh, it's a case? I have no idea, like, what's going on here. What is this? Oh, it's like... Okay, I think it's a case for... This is really interesting. I didn't know Fenty did this. I'm probably the only person on the planet that didn't know. Oh, look. Okay, so this is the lipstick. I didn't know they were doing this. Okay, so you put the lipstick in here. Gotta figure out how to get it in there. Did I do it right? I don't think I did it right. There must be a way of doing it. You must have to screw it in or something. I'm not doing... Okay, so it says... attach base to fill. Okay, maybe I have to put the lid on to snap it down. Ah, yes. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Oh dear. Okay, there's got to be a better way. Okay, so... Oh! Wait. What do you do? Why does it... I don't want to... Okay, we're going to figure this out a little bit later. There's got to be a really good way of doing this. I'm thinking I'm absolutely doing something wrong. There's got to be Okay, so I clicked it in. Maybe it's the other side. Okay, now it's really bugging me. I'll figure it out. Okay, I'm like George on Seinfeld with the jacket. I gotta put it down. There's probably directions on here. It looks like a really pretty shade though. The base case scenario for an icon. Okay, that's kind of cool though. I like the case. The case is pretty, but I'm gonna stop fooling with that now. That was actually pretty funny. Fenty's gonna go, no, don't let her have any more products. Let's see. I've got the Kosas Glow Potion Fluffy Brow plus Lash Boosting Serum. I think this is another brow product. So we got that. And then I see another product in here. What is this? This is the Professional. From Benefit. I love this. This is the Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. This is always a good thing to have because sometimes I do get like the big pores. And this is the full size tube. So that's exciting. So I got that. It's weird. It's a foil tube. It's like wrinkly. Never seen the big size. I usually get the smaller ones. So anyway, I feel like I messed up my icon box. I got so much good stuff though. I'm loving everything. This lip gloss feels good. I'm really wondering about this Fenty product. There's got to be directions on here. I know you guys are with me here. It says attach base, insert fill, bullet for insert fill, bullet first into open case, press to secure. Isn't that what I did? Okay, I don't want it to like go flying out again. Oh my gosh, I gotta figure this out. This is literally just like bugging me. I know I did something wrong. Okay, I got it in like that. Okay, but then it pops up. But how do you get the lipstick out? Someone has to own one of these. Seriously, they do. And they're going to tell me how to do this because I feel really stupid now. Anyway, this was so much fun. Thank you so much, Ipsy. I am just dying over this palette. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much for everything. I will see you guys later. Don't forget the link is below for Ipsy. Bye-bye.